Newton's law of motion for the 11th class for IIT JEE and NEET exam. Okay, so in last class I told you that here we have to discuss about the contact force, and three types of contact force we have written there. One is normal, another is friction, and third one is टेंशन. ओके, तो नॉर्मल के बाद में हमने बात किया था, और फिर हमने लास्ट में कहा था कि इस क्वेश्चन बेस्ड चैप्टर है. फ्रिक्शन को हम बाद में सेपरेट लेंगे, बाद में then we will combine together Newton law of motion and friction we will take. So first of all we see the Newton's law of motion. Okay, so you know the normal is act when two surfaces are contact, then normal act perpendicular to the contact surfaces and tension act along the string. ओके, हमने बात करा था कि जब भी आप प्रॉब्लम करोगे तो हम स्ट्रिंग जो है आइडियल स्ट्रिंग लेते हैं. इट इज अ मासलेस एंड इनएक्सटेंसिबल, उसको और एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. तो स्ट्रिंग जो है हमेशा रहेगा इट इज मासलेस एंड इनएक्सटेंसिबल. ऐसे भी प्रॉब्लम आएंगे जिसमें स्ट्रिंग का मास होगा, उसको भी हम सॉल्व करके देखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज द बेसिक about the Newton's law of motion. So be careful. यहाँ से हम सीखते हैं, तो आप ध्यान रखिए. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हमने बात करा था कि आपको फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाते आना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम? फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम्स में ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर लगने वाले सारे फोर्स को हम दिखाते हैं इन अ डायग्राम. ऑल फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट वी कैन एनालाइज द स्पीड एंड एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द ब्लॉक मोस्टली वी फाइंड आउट हियर. ओके, so hence what is the method to solve the problems here? First of all, make the free body diagrams. What you have to do? First of all, the method to solve. What is the method to solve? Method to solve. Solve करने के मेथड क्या होंगे? तो पहला कोई भी प्रॉब्लम से आता है तो फर्स्ट जो है, आज हम जो है स्ट्रिंग ब्लॉक बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. स्ट्रिंग ब्लॉक बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स की बात करेंगे. तो कहता है मेथड क्या है सॉल्व करने का इस चैप्टर में? फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम, FBD, फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. पहले हम फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, सेकेंड इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन रेस्ट then net force on the object will be 0. If object is rest, then net force on the object F net would be 0. Third, if object is moving, then apply Newton's second law. F equal to F net equal to m into a. Okay, then apply Newton's second law. If object is moving, then apply Newton's second law. Okay, and take direction of acceleration is positive. Okay, so this is the method. By the problems we are going to how we make the free body diagram. This is very, very important. In each and every problem you have to make the free body diagram. If your free body diagram is correct, then you are able to solve the problems. So this is the first steps. First steps क्या है? Draw free body diagram. न्यूटन्स लॉ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है, पहले फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ड्रा करें. फिर ऑब्जेक्ट को देखिए, अगर रेस्ट में होगा तो नेट फोर्स उस पर क्या होगा? F net 0. If object is moving, then apply the Newton's second law, F equal to m into a, and solve the problems. And take the direction of acceleration is positive. Got this? Yes. Please pause the screen and write down this method. I will discuss these all things through our problems. Yes. Yes, suppose here take my examples. We see an examples. Okay, we this is another mass M2, and there is a force F is applied on this. Okay, so this is your choice. You can take the whole M1 and M2 as a one system. You can take whole M1 and M2 as a one system, and the system has mass M1 plus M2. Okay, this is your choice. You can take M2 as a block as a system. Take M1. This is the M1. What will happen? This is the string. So tension is along the string like this T, and acceleration will be like in this direction. Okay. If you show mg will act along the downward directions, and normal reaction M from the surface is like this. This is the free body diagram of M1. This is the free body diagram of M2. आपने अगर M2 को अगर आपने ब्लॉक लिया कंसीडर किया है तो टेक एज अ M2 एज अ ब्लॉक, and this is the I am going to draw the M2 block. So M2 has force. This is the force on M2. So F is here. One force. Tension will be like this. Tension is the along the string. अभी हमने बात किया टेंशन किधर लगता है, along the string. और आप इसको ऐसे याद रखिए, टेंशन जो हमने एक लेक्चर्स में कहा भी है, act in such a way that it try to reduce the length of the string. So या इसको ऐसे याद रखिए, act away from the object. So this is the tension. अगर आप इसको दिखाएंगे तो M2G, this is the weight of the object, and this is the normal reaction. Suppose it is N, it is N1 and it is N2. Okay, so this is the free body diagrams. Free body diagram is all forces acting on the block. Okay, so this is the free body diagram. Pause the screen and write down. I will discuss another examples, and then I will take problems. Then your concept will be clear and you can able to solve the problems. Yes, pause the screen and write down. Okay, let's see by another examples. Take this is our rigid support, and there is a string, and through this mass M is, what will happen here? Take M. How will make the free body diagram? This is the mass M, and weight mg in downward directions, and tension along the string. This is the T. Okay, this is the block diagram of this mass M. So this is the small problems. So in each and every, either problem is small or complex, process is same. Okay. So clear. This is the T. This is the M. This is the free body diagram, and then after that we will discuss. Please note down, and I take the problems directly, and by the problems we can understand these chapters. Okay. So write down. Yes. Okay, take this is our string, this is the block, this is 4 kg block, okay, and this is another string, and here it is a 6 kg block, okay. So you have to find the tension. This is the string 1, this is the string 1, and this is the string 2, this is the string 2. So you have to find if a string is changed, then tension will be changed. If string अगर change होता है तो tension भी उसका बदल जाएगा. So देखिए आप, suppose करिए कि यहाँ जो है tension, हम इसका free body diagrams बनाएंगे. First I take the 6 kg block. Let's see here. This is the 6 kg block. इसको हम इस वे में दिखाते हैं. Okay. We have 6 kg block. Take this is the 6 kg block. Okay, this is the 6 kg. What happened? 6g. G is the acceleration due to gravity. So it would be 6 into 10, 60 Newton. You know G, value of G is 10 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity, and tension in this way. Okay, away from the object. Yes, because this is a stationary. Because this object is in a stationary, so upward force equal to downward force. So P equal to 6G. Suppose this is the P2, This is the T2. So T2 equal to 6G means 60 Newton. Okay, got this? And suppose what is the tension here? So take the block. Okay, take the block. 4 kg block. Yes. Take the 4 kg block. This is the 4 kg block. The force, the tension due to this string. Okay, this is the T2. So reaction of T2 like this. T2 will act like this. So here one is T2. Okay. This is the 4 kg. So weight acting downward. So weight will be 4G. Okay. And tension in the string like this. Here string 1. So tension is T1. Okay. So again this is the stationary. So you can write the equation upward force equal to the downward force. T1 equal to T2 plus 4G. So take the value of T2 from there. This is the 60 Newton plus this is the 40. So 100 Newton. This is the answers. So in any problem, first make the free body diagrams and apply the Newton's second law according to the situation. Okay, please pause the screen and write down. I give another examples to clarify the Newton's law of motion. How can solve the problem here? Please note down, write down. Yes. Yes. I take another questions. Okay. This is another questions I am taking for you. Let's see here. This is here block 1. It is suppose 3 kg. By the string another block is joined. It is 4 kg. By another strings one more block is joined. Suppose this is the 5 kg. Okay. And take force is 120 Newton force is applied on this block of 5 kg. Okay. Got this? So this is the show. Here you have to find out the acceleration. So all block is tied. Show acceleration like this in this direction. Okay. So I have to take what is the acceleration. So take all three as a object. So take all three as a object. तीनों को एक ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह बिहेव करेंगे तो टोटल मास कितना हो जाएगा? अप्लाई F equal to m into a directly. So F is 120 Newton. Mass is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this is the 12 into a. So acceleration a is equal to 120 upon 12, 10 meter per second square. This is the trick. Like 2 blocks or 3 blocks directly you can apply. Acceleration a equal to ट्रिक क्या है? ट्रिक क्या यूज करेंगे आप इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए? एक्सेलरेशन डायरेक्टली निकालना है तो अप्लाई द ट्रिक फोर्स अप्लाइड अपॉन टोटल मास ऑफ द टोटल मास. अप्लाइड फोर्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल मास. सो डायरेक्टली यहाँ एक्सेलरेशन आप इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So now tension, this is the another string, this is the another string. So tension in both the string will be different. Okay. So अगर here you have to calculate. Suppose this is the tension. This is the here tension is T1. Here T1. This is the T2 and this is the T2. Okay, got this? समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? अगर आपसे T2 पूछता क्वेश्चन में तो डायरेक्टली आप 3 kg ब्लॉक को लेंगे. इन ब्लॉक को हम नहीं लेंगे, टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा. अगर T2 पूछता है तो डायरेक्टली हम 3 kg का अपनी बॉडी डायग्राम बनाएंगे. टेक ओके. सो T2 को फाइंड आउट करना है तो दिस इज द 3 kg ब्लॉक. टेंशन इज T2 एंड एक्सेलरेशन A इक्वल टू 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. सो डायरेक्टली टेंशन इज अ फोर्स. सो T2 इक्वल टू दिस इज 3 kg. T2 इक्वल टू m into A. ओके. 3 into 10 30 Newton. Okay. If T1 you have to calculate and take 4 kg as a block or 5 kg, you can answer like this. Okay. So I am taking 5 kg block. Okay. So take 5 kg block. Yes. Take 5 kg block. This is the 5 kg block. Here 120 Newton force and T1 is in this direction. Here T1 Okay, and acceleration is along this direction, 10 meter per second square. Okay, apply the Newton's second law here. Apply the Newton's second law here. It is visible to you. Apply the Newton's second law here. You can easily calculate. Yes. तो क्या लिखेंगे? इस डायरेक्शन में लिखते हैं 120 minus T1. This is the net force because here force is 120 Newton. This is the T1. So 120 minus T1 equal to M into A. This is the 5 kg block. So equation only 120 minus T1 equal to M into A. M is 5, A is 10. Got this? So T1 is that side, 50 is this side, it will be minus. So T1 equal to 120 minus 50 equal to 70 Newton. So this is the way you can solve the problem. First of all, draw the free body diagram and then analyze the. You have to find out the tension here. So I think hope it is clear to you. Pause the screen and write down. We will take another example. Yes. Okay. Now I take another examples. Suppose there is a block. There is a block of. Suppose there is a block of 5 kg. There is a block of 5 kg, and in this direction, 10 Newton force is applied on this block at an angle of 37 degree from the horizontal. Okay. I take another example. This is the surface, and on this surface 5 kg block is there, and 10 Newton force is, this is the pushing force. You can see by pushing this object will move like in this direction. This is the main acceleration. So we have to find out what is the acceleration here. Okay. So first of all, make the free body diagram of this 5 kg block. Here only one block, so no problems. So take this is the 5 kg block. Okay. So here force 10 Newton has two components. One component along this direction. This would be 10 cos 37 degree, and another component is along this direction. This is 10 sin 37 degree. Okay. And weight is along mg, means 5g. Weight is along this, and normal rates are perpendicular to the surface is n, acceleration like this. Got this? अब इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. टू वैल्यू आई एम गिविंग टू यू. cos 37 degree. Remember it. Cos 37 degree is 4/5, and sin 37 degree is 3/5. A standard value, so you can remember. Yes. So diagram like this. Okay. This is our block, and this force is this is 10, 4/5. So this is the 8 Newton, and along this direction this is the 6 Newton. Okay. And mg, this is the 50 Newton. Got this? This is the normal reaction. So what is the value of normal reactions? So 6 Newton is downward, 50 is downward. No motion in the vertical directions. So normal reaction is equal to 50 plus 6 equal to 56 Newton. Got this? Yes. And acceleration in this direction. So object will move in this direction. So apply Newton's second law in this direction. So this is the 6 Newton force, and this is 5 kg object. So apply F equal to N into A in a horizontal direction. Okay, or in positive x directions. So F is 6 Newton. This is the 8. This is 8 Newton in along the x directions. So this would be the 8 equal to mass is 5 kg into A. So acceleration A equal to 8/5 meter per second square. So this is the way. First make the free body diagram and apply all the forces. In vertical direction there is a no motion. So upward force equal to downward force. N equal to 50 plus 6 is 56 Newton. And in this horizontal directions or positive, along the positive x-axis object will move with some acceleration. So apply the formula F equal to M into A. Force is 8 Newton. This is the 8 Newton force is here. Mass is 5. A is the acceleration. So A equal to 8/5 meter per second square. Pause the screen and write down. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much. Today I end the class here. In next class we will discuss some more problems and important problems which will come into the IIT, JEE and NEET exams. So be sincere, be careful, take the class regularly, watch the video, subscribe the video, give the comments. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very thank you.